Right, the wealth management firm that was co-conservator over Britney Spears wants to be removed from the role.
Yeah, Bessemer Trust move comes after Spears testified in court. Attorneys filed resignation paperwork after Spears indicated that the conservatorship was not voluntary and as the firm had understood it to be. Now, once the resignation is approved, Jamie Spears will once again be the sole conservator of his daughter's estate. The pop star petitioned to have her father removed, but that was denied by a judge on Wednesday.
So what exactly is a conservatorship and how does it work here in Nevada? Well, the Britney Spears case is bringing critical national attention to the area of law that allows this kind of thing to happen.
13 Chief Investigator Darcy Spears has been exposing it here in Clark County now for years. And Darcy's unprecedented reporting revealed the problems with guardianship as she uncovered corruption and greed in the system that's supposed to protect the most vulnerable.
For clarification, the legal terms vary from state to state, but are often used interchangeably. In California, where Britney Spears' case is filed, guardianship is for kids under 18 and conservatorship is for adults. Here in Nevada, the term guardianship applies to both minors and adults. For adults, the system is supposed to protect people who are unable to care for themselves, like an elderly person with dementia, but it could apply to someone much younger, for example, the victim of a traumatic brain injury or someone with mental health problems. In a guardianship, the court appoints someone and gives them legal authority to make critical life and health care decisions and manage and protect the person's money, home, and other assets. However, our investigation found the system exploited people, some who didn't need a guardianship at all. Homes were sold off and entire life savings were drained while the vulnerable person was isolated from family. Lawyers and private guardians profited while the very person they were supposed to protect rarely had any voice in the process. Because of what we exposed in our years-long investigation, former private professional guardian April Parks is serving 16 to 40 years in prison for exploitation, theft, and perjury. Her office manager and attorney, and even her husband, were also found guilty for their roles in Parks' schemes. As a direct result of our investigation, the Nevada Supreme Court created a guardianship compliance office, and new laws were passed to better protect individuals under guardianship and require licensing of professional guardians. Nevertheless, we continue to hear on a near daily basis from people here in Nevada and nationwide who claim their loved ones are trapped in a system that continues to exploit and fails to protect the most vulnerable. Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.